Hey guys, I'm really excited about this update. A lot of our customers asked if there's a way while creating a repair ticket or while working on a repair ticket, if there's a way they can flag diagnostic notes. So today we have released this functionality, and I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on how you can use it. So let's say if a customer comes in and you want to book a repair job, all you have to do is to either enter customer information or you can search for customer information. So let's say if you have a customer profile, you can bring up that information. Then you can enter device information like mobile, Apple, iPhone 6, screen replacement. All right. So we have added this little flag over here. So let's say if you're writing something and you want screen is falling. Um, and you want to flag this note, all you have to do is to press this button. And if you want to remove flag, just press it again. So once you're done, hit confirm, and that's it. So once you create a repair ticket and the technician open this repair ticket, he will be able to view this flag notes. Okay. So let's go to ticket screen over here. So we got a ticket for Usman over here. So as you can see, the flag notes are displayed over here in a red background. So once you open this ticket on point of sale, it will display a flag like this over here. So if you want to remove this flag or add a flag, add another note, you can, testing flag note. So you can add multiple flag notes as well. Give it a try. Let us know how if you like this feature or not in the comment section, and keep using RepairDesk. Have a wonderful day.